Hello students, in class 8 rational number first topic is exercise 1.1. Here we discuss about how to plot rational number on number line. So here you see we draw a number line this way. This is the called number line, and from 0 be forward, move forward right hand side. So this belongs to the positive integer and b comes back, so this is belong to the negative integer. Whatever number you can increase 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, and here is also you can decrease number whatever you want according to the requirement. So here is question number 2 we can take. This is A part, this is B part, this is C part, and this is D part of exercise number 1. So here we see students to putting on also plotting the numbers on this number line. So let me see students. So let me see A part. So here you see minus 5 over 7. 5 over 7, it means to say we put out value. That means minus decimal 7, and after 7 you see 5 time you can put. So this is the value we got, minus decimal 75 something. So this value falls minus 1 and 0. And here you see students, we see the value of denominators. So here denominator value is 7. So we have to make 7 part the column which is given. So here we try to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you see 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 part, 6 part, and 7 parts. So this is 7 parts. We can divide the column here, and after that you see the numerators. So numerator is 5. You see, so 5 numbers we can count: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is the number 5. We can take on this number A points. So the value of A points is 5 over 7. So this is the way of plotting any rational numbers. So here we put. So students, we can take the second part. Second part is 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 we also take. So that is 3 over 4. We part here 3 over 4. It means to say we find out the value of 3 over 4. It means to say that is 7 and 5. So the value of 3 over 4 we find out 7 and 5 by dividing 4 in 3. So after that decimal 7 5. So 7 5, this is positive and this falls on 0 and 1. So after that you see here the denominator number is 4. We have to divide 4 part. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, and 4 part. After dividing 4 parts, we see the numerator number. Numerator number is 3. So we count from here 1 part, 2 part, and 3 part. So this number, so here we put the point B, and point B, it means to say 3 over 4. So we can put here. And after that students, you see 2 1 over 5. So 2 1 over 5 we can take here. This is the whole number 2. Whole number 2, this is here. And after that you see 1 over 5. So 1 over 5, it means to say we have to make this numbers here, and after that 5 times we divide this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after divide 5 times, we see this is the 1. So after that 1, this lie on this number, and we can put this C. So that 2, 1 over 5 lie on that number. So this is the way of plotting any kinds of number. And now students, we talk about the equivalent of numbers. So this is the first question, equivalence of rational number. So let me see, this is the 3 over 4 and here we have to make equivalent of these numbers. So for find out the equivalent of any rational numbers, so you have to divide the same number in numerator and denominators. So here you see 3 over 4, it means to say we divide 2. So here we find out 6 over 8 and 3 over 4 we divide 3 here. So we find out here 9 over 12 and here we see 3 over 4 into 4 over 4. It means to say 12 over 16 and here you see 3 over 4 multiplied 5 over 5. We see here 15 over 20. So it means to say you can increase whatever the number you can ask. If you see equivalent number is 3, so we have only made 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. So we can only take 3. If this is 4 number, 5 number, so you can increase this number. So the equivalent of this number is 6 over 8, 9 over 12 and 12 over 16 and 15 over 20. So this is the way of equivalent of numbers. Now we see students in exercise. So question number 4 is same. You can point out. Now we discuss about the arrange the following rational number in descending order or ascending orders. And after that, this is the 7, 8, 9 and 10 question of exercise number. Find 4 rational number between minus 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. So we have to discuss here this question. So let me see. So let me see student, this is find 4 rational number between minus 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. 7 number question, find 4 rational number between minus 1 over 2 and 1 over 4. So students, when 2 rational numbers are given, so this is the question always asking in your exam. So we have to find out how many numbers here the given. So here we find out the 4 numbers. So the way of solving this kinds of question is here. This is minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. It means to say we have to find out this by this method. It means to say this is the formula you can apply A over B multiplied 1 over 2. So you can apply this formula from here. So after that you see students, first we take this number and after this take we number, so LCM is 4. So LCM 4, 2 to the 4 and 2 1 ja minus 2 plus 4 1 ja 4 and 1 1. So here 1 over 2, it means to say here we get 1 over 4 and 1 over 2, it means to say minus 1 over 8. So one number is 1 over 8. Now we can write this here minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 8 that's 1 over 4. So here you see 1 over, we take again minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 8, it will to say minus and here 1 over 2. So after that you see we take LCM 8. So 2 4 time. So minus 4 plus 1 time. So minus 1. And here you see multiplied 1 over 2. So minus and minus, minus 5 over 8. And multiplied here 1 over 2. It means to say minus 5 over 16. So this is the minus 5 over 16. And after that you can take numbers this and this. So this and this you can take. So that is minus 1 over 8 plus minus 5 over 16 and 1 over 2. You also take minus 1 over 2 and this number, any number you can take. So here you see LCM 16, 8 2 time plus 16 1 minus 5 and here minus multiplied 1 over 2. So minus 7 over 16 multiplied 1 over 2, it means to say minus 7 over 32. So here we can write here 7 minus 7 over 32 and after that we can take this number. So we can take minus 7 over 32 plus 1 over 4 and multiplied 1 over 2. So after that we can take LCM 34 and this is the minus 7 we got here and from here 8 and minus 1 over 2. So from here we got 1 over 32 multiplied 1 over 2, it means to say 1 over 64. So we can write here 1 over 64 also. The 4 rational number you have got minus 1 over 8, minus 5 over 16, minus 7 over 34 and 1 over 64. So same this way students, whatever you asking the number between this, so you can solve by this methods.